Hello everyone friends, we are on the Binomo Brokers trading platform. We're live trading and we trade off support and resistance levels on a clean chart. Expiration time is about 5 minutes, the stake amount is $15. And let's begin. The euro-dollar is currently situated at a significant support level. You can clearly see that the price action reached this critical zone, subsequently broke through it, and then reliably returned to it to consolidate. I am now going to open a trade for an increase. Australian dollar, I'll open a trade for an increase. I will also open it. We're looking at a sideways channel. The lower boundary of this channel aligns with our opening zone. And you can see that the price currently can't break through this zone. I anticipate the price will be pushed upwards. The only thing is I opened it for 1 minute, not 5. That's not good. We are currently observing the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. We will now proceed to open for an increase. We have a 5-minute expiration, noting a local minimum. And we clearly have a double bottom pattern forming right here, which is also quite good. Australian dollar, my mistaken trade actually closed in profit. I really shouldn't have opened it. I should have opened it for 5 minutes instead. New Zealand dollar yen will open for an increase. This is a good support zone in this case. We previously had a very clear double bottom pattern forming right here at this specific point. The price then reacted very well to this zone. Now the price has approached this zone from above, so I've opened a trade for an increase. Australian Canadian will also open for an increase, local minimum. The only thing is the zone is quite wide, but I hope it all works out. That's all for now. Trades are open, let's see what's actually happening. The euro dollar is currently in the red. The loss is minor, maybe something will still change. Okay, the Australian dollar is also near the entry point. Nothing significant is happening yet. The price hasn't moved far. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, the price is currently rising. This is the euro dollar, half a minute remains. Let's see how the trade closes. The price is very close to the entry point, but it needs to be either slightly above or at least at the entry level at the moment of closing, so we get a refund. But no, it wasn't quite enough. Okay, our next trade is the Australian dollar. The price is currently in profit. On the 5-second chart, it looks like this. Well, the movement here isn't the most confident, but there's a high probability that the trade will still close in profit. The last minute is running, 37 seconds remaining. The other assets are currently in profit. The New Zealand dollar and yen fell very sharply. In the last minute, literally. There are 20 seconds left until the trade closes, and most likely this movement will ruin the profit. Although before that the upward movement was very good. The Australian dollar, Canadian dollar is still in profit, 7 seconds left here. Well, it seems yes, one trade is in profit, one trade is in loss. It's a shame, a very big shame. This trade cut the profit. We made a little profit, but in fact one trade was opened by accident, not with the correct expiration time. Otherwise, of course, the profit would have been more modest. And that's all from me. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Good luck with your trading, everyone. Bye everyone. Bye.